Hello everyone, my name is Andy. I'm 5 years old. Today I'm going to talk about lesson 38 in language development. I learn about a bird. This bird caught oil. This one is our ostrich. He can fly. Can fly. Can you know? Is no. Is our ostrich don't have wings to fly. They run very fast. They run very fast. And an ostrich has a long neck and a small head like a tennis ball. And this bird they call a chick.
No, it's not chick. It's hummingbird.
It's called hummingbird. A penguin has wing. A penguin don't have wing to fly, but they can. A penguin can do like this. He has wing. He has wing because he has wing, but he can fly. He walks like this. This. Can you know this bird?
No. What's that?
It is this bird. I draw this bird.
What color is it?
This one is a bird can live in the nest, in the tree, or in the house.
What's his name?
This one
Yes.
name is
Blue
jay.
Blue jay.
Blue jay. This called blue jay. This one is a daddy, very big. This one is a father. This one is baby. This one is baby chick. Chickadee. They said this one chick. This bird can sing a song like this. They can sing a song. They sing a song like this. And one day, a bird has small eyes like this, and they have a chick. This bird is very strong. They do like this. Chick. Duck. One day, I'm going to play. I see this bird is very, very strong. They do like this. Tuk, 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 tuk. And I don't know who how do we oh shh. How do we do this? I don't know. Who do like this? Do you know? It's this bird. It's called chick 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 chick. And one bird is this bird is a mommy bird. It's very, very dangerous. Next is very, very sick because his next the bird can hungry to mommy bird go to the house, go to the many forest to eat, to put the fruit to put in the table and he can eat. Yum, 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 yum. And this bird, his name is, you know, this bird. Guess. Do you know? Canoe. This canoe is very, very beautiful. It's a daddy red bird. This one is yellow, bright white, sea yellow and blue and black. This one has blue, yellow, black, and white and orange. But they called so many shape like this. So many shape. This triangles, this one, this one, this one, this one, this is all the shape. But God can do that. Me and you and my daddy can do. My daddy is not garden. Not God can make a bird too. A bird is very, very dangerous. One bird, this is a chickadee. Chickadee is very, very small, like a baby chicken. Baby. Thank you for listening.